Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to turn off allow messages from everyone. Okay, so for example, maybe everyone can send you a message, but if you want to turn this off, then you can do this thing. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So you can see this is the home page of Litmatch Make New Friends app. So what you need to do, you need to tap here, right bottom corner on your screen. Simply type here, it's called profile picture, and after that you can see the settings option, right top corner on your screen. It's called the settings. Simply tap on that and scroll down, then you can see the option privacy control. Okay, this one, simply tap on that, and after that you can see allow message from everyone. Okay, so free for VIP plus and above, you have to, you can turn it on, then you have to, like, your customers level is, the feature is free for user, which, like, you need 200 diamond to do this thing. It's not free. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no man, thank you for watching.